Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can export a Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find the option to create a new site. You can also create a new folder from here. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your sites. So right now I'm going to click on these sites. For example, I'm going to click on select and edit site. And then this will take you to your dashboard. So just wait for your dashboard to load. And once you're here, as you can see guys, here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. So here you're going to find the setup section, home, getting paid, and so on. So what you need to do guys right now is go all the way down until you find edit site. Go ahead and click on it and then they will take you to this page right here. So once you're here, just wait for this page to load. So once the site has loaded, you're going to be here. So basically guys, this is the editor for Wix. You can see the desktop view or also the switch to the mobile view. Then here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your site. For example, if you click on add element, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to add a text, add an image, button, strip, and so on. And then if you go to the sections right here, you can edit them one by one. For example, if you want to edit the header, just click on it. And then as you can see, guys, you can literally edit any elements right here. And then once you finish editing your site, you're going to find here in the top right, three options: save, preview, and publish. So if you want to publish your site, just click here on publish and then just wait for it to load. And as you can see guys, right now the site have been published online. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.